What's up, guys? This is Will of Will's Gadgets and More, back with another video. And I picked up a Apple AirTag, so that's what we're going to look at today. So I picked this up from Best Buy. These cost $29 for a single one, and I think $99 for a pack of 4 of them. I actually picked this up. I'm not going to keep it. I'm going to give it away to a family member that's always losing things. But I'm going to make a video about it anyway. So these came out a while back. They came out released on 4/30/2021, and so I want to check it out and see what it's all about. So I got the silver one here, but you can get it in different colors. You can get your name put on it, all kinds of things with these. So let's take a look at a few of the product features here. So these keep track of and find your items alongside friends and devices in the Find My app. Simple one-touch setup instantly connects AirTags with your iPhone and iPad. Play a sound on the built-in speaker to find your things, or just ask Siri for help. Precision finding with ultra-wideband technology leads you right to your nearby AirTag on selected iPhone models, it says. Find items farther away with the help of hundreds of millions of Apple devices in the Find My network. Put AirTag in lost mode to automatically notify you when it's detected in the Find My network. All communication with the Find My network is anonymous and encrypted for privacy. That's great. Location data and history are never stored on the AirTag. Replaceable batteries last over a year. AirTag is IP67 water and dust resistant. And make AirTags yours with a range of colorful accessories. And it goes on to tell you which devices and things that this is compatible with. A little bit more about the battery as well. You can go over to Best Buy website to read the rest of that, or go to Apple. So here is the AirTag. This is the box that it comes in anyway, and then here's the back of it. It has some more specs and requirements on the back of it there. So let's get into it and get it paired up to my iPhone 12 here. All right, guys, so let's get this box open. Apple's been making this real easy to get into the devices. You don't need knives anymore to open them up, so they're making these little pull tabs there, and hopefully I can get into it here. There it is. And then they also make a little pull tab here, so that's great. Let's see what all we got in the packaging here. Got some more stuff in here. All right, so we got safety and handling material there. You get your limited 1-year warranty. You also get your regulatory stuff there. And here's the AirTag. So we don't get a Apple sticker, but here's the packaging here. It says Apple. It says AirTag on the outside of it. On the back of it, just some regulatory stuff look like it. So when you first open this up, it says to update the latest iOS or iPad OS, turn on the Bluetooth and then pull tab. And they have it in different languages there as well. And there's the AirTag, and then over here, hold near device and follow on-screen instructions. So that's it. So we're going to get this out. All right. Okay, so here's the AirTag. You guys see? We're going to go ahead and pull this paper off of it. Okay, so it made an audible sound there as soon as I removed that. Here it is. Very shiny, man. There's some writing on it, and I definitely can't see what it says on there. Maybe you guys can, but I'm not sure. So it made an audible sound. Here's the back of it. And let's go ahead and get this paired up. So here's my iPhone. So there it is. It pops up on the display right here, right away. It says connect. Name the AirTag. So This is probably going to be named keys. Enable additional AirTag features by sharing the iPhone location. To improve AirTag location accuracy, switch your location sharing from to iPhone. Okay, use this iPhone for now. I'm going to have to learn how to reset this as well. Let's go ahead and not show that. So here it is. It says setting up. All right, precision finding, play sound, directions, and map. So done. I'm going to hit done. So I guess that's it. All right, guys. So once that is done, you can go into your Find My app here, and then it'll say Willie's Keys here, and bring this up. That's the name of it. So on here you can play a sound, you can find it, notifications if I had any notifications, notify when found, lost mode, I can turn that on, I can rename the device, and I can remove it as well. So let's go ahead and play a sound. So that's the sound that it puts out, and then let's see if I wanted to find it. So it tells me it's found, and it's doing a little vibration like, and it's telling me, you know, 0.4 feet, and it lets you go ahead and press the sound button again to make sure you find it. So there it is. So if this was lost out there somewhere, it should be pretty easy to find it. But that is it. As you see, you get the logo there, and I can get out of this, play a sound again. All right, guys, so that is it, man. That is the Apple AirTag unboxing and my setup for it anyway. I'm going to remove it, and like I said, I'm going to give this to a person that really needs it, that's always losing their keys. And yeah, guys, so catch you guys in the next video. Wheels, Gadgets, and more. I'm out.